Assalamu alaikum. I welcome all my students with a happy start. Me Nazia, your SST teacher. Okay, in previous lecture we came to know about early humans. They lived in forests. जंगलों में रहते थे वो. They ate raw flesh of animals and birds. They used animal skins and leaves to cover their bodies. They hunted animals with sticks and stones. They did not know how to talk, so they made sounds. They did not have houses to live in, thus lived on trees and caves. Now today we will learn more about early humans. So, are you ready? Let's start. What is this? Fire. Yes, it is fire. Fire means आग. Okay, who is afraid of fire? आग से किस किस को डर लगता है? Everyone. Yeah, me too. Okay, do you know who discovered fire? आग को किसने खोजा? Yes, it was early man. Okay, do you know how early man discovered fire? कैसे उसने आग को खोजा? Let me say you. One day, early man saw stones falling from mountains, and during falling of stones from mountains, he observed sparks from stones. क्या हुआ? एक बार अर्ली मैन ने देखा कि पत्थर पहाड़ से गिर रहे थे और जैसे ही वो गिर रहे थे उनमें से स्पार्क्स निकल रही थी. After that, early humans started rubbing two stones to create sparks. उसके बाद क्या किया? अर्ली मैन ने दो पत्थरों को रगड़ना शुरू किया. Like in the picture. And finally, after many trials, the stones caught fire. जब उसने बहुत बार कोशिश की ना, बहुत बार रगड़ा दो पत्थरों को, तो वहां से क्या निकली? आग, फायर. ओके. And like this, discovery of fire happened. तो इसी तरीके से क्या हुई? आग को खोजा गया. Fire protected early humans from severe cold. बहुत सर्दी होती थी ना, तो आग से उनको क्या होती थी? गर्मी होती थी, तो सर्दी से बचाती थी उनको आग. And also from wild animals. With the help of fire, early man learned cooking of food and became fond of eating cooked food. आग की वजह से क्या हुआ? अर्ली मैन ने खाना पकाना सीख लिया और वो पका हुआ खाना खाने लगा. Okay, it's all for today. Inshallah, in next lecture, we will know more about early humans. Till then, be happy. Allah Hafiz.